everyone, greeting from Zhongshan. Now I would like to introduce our sewing machines for the full aluminum foils on the bottles like this. These machines can only work for plastic bottle and glass bottles. It's not working for the metal bottles. Like the aluminum can, it's not working for metal. It's not working only for plastic or glass. We have 3 items. This one is the largest size, works for bottle size within 20 millimeters to 130 millimeters. And these 2, they are with the same size for 20 millimeters to 100 millimeters. Now I'll show you how to work with this one. When you press powder on, this 2 bottle is to adjust the sewing times. Normally we select GLF-500F or GLF-500F for the sewing times, 0.8 seconds. Now I select it, and then these 2 bottles is to select the powders. You can make it less or more. If you select more powderful, then the sewing time can be less because it's powderful. And then, like this, you put the bottles. I already have one aluminum foil inside it, and put it on like this. Press. Like this. This one is sealed onto the bottles. That's all. Thank you for watching.